and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do another unboxing, and today it's about Dior. So we will unbox together the Dior clutch in cherry red. So this is like an amazing piece. Here I have the receipt. So you get it with everything that you order from Dior. So as you can see, it's very well packed and it's super nice to keep it. So just pack it together. So guys, this is the typical Dior packaging. So as you can see, you have a beautiful white box, which is really nice, and it has like a wall optic, so it's really beautiful, and you can easily open it with a magnet. So here we have the Dior writing in, I think it's a gold or champagne color, and you can easily open their boxes with a magnet, as I told you. And in here you will find the beauty inside. So this is so nice packed. I think Dior packs the things most beautiful way, so I've never seen such a beautiful package. So if we open the paper, we will still see the Dior clutch is inside this bag. So it's really nice, and it's really beautiful packed because it cannot get damaged. So Dior does a really great job with their packaging. So let's look what's inside. So guys, are you ready for this Dior beauty? Look at it. It's so nice. Look at the color. Look at this leather. So it's amazing. I will just unbox with you together the hardware because they packed it especially in another, I don't know what that is, like bag, little bags for like to not get damaged. So let's unpack it together. This is really beautiful. I'm so happy to have this bag. I looked for it for a long time, and I wasn't decided if I want to get it, but now I decided I should get it. So here we have the chain, which is so beautifully packed. I will show you this in a minute. And here I think there is the Dior letters inside, also in a golden color. They are also packed like individually, which is really nice because they again cannot get damaged. So yeah, let's take a look at this bag. So guys, just take a look at this bag. So let's start with the leather, because this leather is so special. As you can see, it is the shiny leather in calfskin. So it's a calfskin leather bag from Dior. It's the Lady Dior clutch, so it's really beautiful. It's a classic bag. I think it's not as classic as the normal Lady Dior, but this is like a smaller classic Dior bag. So as you can see, it comes with a long chain which can be attached easily to the bag. So I will just do it with you together. You can attach this strap to the bag. So then you have like a beautiful bag with the the hardware and the strap. The strap and the letters, as you can see, I will try to show it to you, is in champagne color. So here you can find the letters, the typical champagne golden letters, which I find very beautiful, and it's typical Dior because I think every Dior bag has those letters attached, and as you can see, it's also a classic. So this bag is not a big bag, but it's, I think, as you can tell from the name, it's a Dior clutch. So if you have a clutch, you cannot place anything inside. So it isn't so spacey. So let's go and see the inside. You open this bag by a magnet, so it's really easy to be opened and also closed. It's also very safe. You don't have to worry to get to lose something. It's really nice. And in the inside, how beautiful is this bag, guys? Look at the inside and look at the writing. We have the golden writing inside, Christian Dior, made in Paris. So I hope you can see it. It's really nice. It's beautiful. Inside we don't have the shiny leather anymore. We have the normal calfskin leather, which is a beautiful game between the shiny leather and the normal leather. It's a beauty. So as I told you, you can open this bag with a magnet. So it's like this. You can see it's super easy. And if you go and look to the inside, you will find two different things. So you have the card holder. I think it's for 8 cards, so it's really beautiful. And in here you have an extra department also with the Christian Dior writing on the bottom. It's really beautiful. I will show you this a little bit later because now I want to show you the inside of the bag. So the inside of the bag is quite simple. You have the biggest department in here, and in here you have another smaller department which you can use like also for cards or anything really small. But the bigger department, you can also put your phone inside. I will show this to you as I have my phone in here, and I have the iPhone XS Plus, I think. It fits inside really beautifully. Really, it's a classic, and you can really fit a lot of things inside. You don't need to put anything. So here you can see the size. It's really nice. You have still place for some keys. It's a classic bag. If you want to detach this chain, you don't have to detach it at all. You just can put it inside of the bag. So I will show this to you. You can just place it inside and you can just wear it without the chain. It's really beautiful, and you can just take it in your hand. It's a classic. The color is amazing. This is the cherry red color from Dior. They also have the Lady Dior in this color, and I think this bag you can also find without the shiny leather, so in normal calfskin leather. Guys, this bag is a beauty, but it's also quite pricey. So I paid around 1,500 euros for it. I bought it a few weeks ago, so it's not even an old bag. And I think they will high up the prices next year, so you really have to look for it. Here I have still the sign attached because I told you it's a new bag. I didn't wear it yet, but I'm really happy to wear it and to go out with it. So now let's take a look at the insides. So if you buy the Dior clutch, you will find those two extra things in it. So you have the card holder first. It's really beautiful. It's in the same shiny calfskin leather, and inside you can also put some things. So this is really beautiful. It's so practical, and I think you can use it for many things. So this is a must-have. Also, the other thing that they give to you is this little thing in here, which has a zip, and you can just open it and put some things in it. It's really beautiful. As you can see, the inside, it has like also the cherry red color, which is beautiful, and also with the shiny golden color in the hardware. It's a beautiful iconic piece. I will recommend this color for every girl because it's a really elegant and beautiful color. You can also combine it with many things. So it's a classic, guys. What I really love about this clutch is that they still put those little initials in here because this gives like a Dior touch to the bag. I showed you the beautiful Lady Dior clutch and I want to put those 2 extra things in it again so you can see that they really fit in the bag. So here I have the 2 things and I will put them back in the bag. So you have 2 beautiful things and you can easily pack them inside. It's so nice. And you can organize the bag much better if you have those 2 things. So it's really nice. I love this clutch. It's a really practical clutch and I think you can use it for so many things. I will just show you the color again in the camera so you can see the shiny color and also the white of the bag. So as you can see, it's not a white bag, but I think it's in between, so it's the perfect size. This is the front of the bag and here again we have the Dior letters. So guys, now I want to show you how you can wear this bag. So guys, this bag you can wear in 3 different styles and I'm really happy to show this to you. The first style would be as a clutch, so the typical clutch in your hand. You can also wear it really casually. When you walk, you can just take it with you. It's not a difficult style. But the thing is that you are not hands-free if you don't use the chain. So this would be the first style as a clutch. It's really beautiful. You can wear it with jeans or with a nice dress. So it's super elegant. But I would recommend you to really use the chain because I think it gives like a more elegant touch if you use the chain. So the second style would be on your shoulder. Really beautiful. As you can see, it falls super perfectly and you can see all the hardware. You can see this beautiful chain. Dior did such a great job with the chain from the Lady Dior clutch. I'm a fan of it and it's super elegant and so minimalistic. The third style would be crossbody, which I also really love because this clutch really doesn't fall very high but also doesn't fall very low. So as you can see, if you are wearing black, this color really pops. So I would recommend you, if you buy this color, to wear like dark clothes so this color can really come to shine. So just take a look at this bag. You can wear it crossbody so it gives a much more sporty look and you can just decide how you want to wear it. So babes, it was so much fun doing this unboxing with you and I'm really happy to be showing you this beautiful bag in this beautiful color that I really love. And I would really recommend to you this beautiful color combination with the champagne golden hardware. It's a beauty. I would be really happy if you would leave me a like or comment my video or subscribe to my channel so we can unbox some other things together.